Hey there, fellow travelers, your go-to spot for all things travel. Today we're diving deep into the heart of Austria, a place that's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Things to do in Austria. Austria is a land of stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Nestled in the heart of Europe, it offers a perfect blend of nature, art, and adventure. From the majestic Alps to the cultural heartbeats of Vienna and Salzburg, Austria welcomes travelers with open arms. Whether you're a history buff, an outdoor enthusiast, or a lover of fine cuisine, Austria has something to ignite your passions. The charm of Austria lies not just in its famous landmarks, but also in its lesser-known treasures. The seamless blend of old-world charm with modern sophistication makes Austria an irresistible destination. Ready to embark on this Austrian journey? Let's begin. Schönbrunn Palace is one of Austria's most iconic landmarks. Located in Vienna, this Baroque masterpiece was the summer residence of the Habsburg monarchs. With over 1,440 rooms, the palace is a testament to the opulence and grandeur of Imperial Austria. The palace grounds are equally impressive, featuring meticulously manicured gardens, fountains, and statues. Visitors can also explore the Gloriette, a grand colonnaded structure offering panoramic views of Vienna. Inside the palace, the staterooms showcase the lavish lifestyle of the Habsburgs. The Great Gallery, with its sparkling chandeliers and ornate frescoes, is particularly stunning. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply looking to marvel at magnificent architecture, Schönbrunn Palace is a must-visit. Make sure to check the schedule for concerts and special events held in the palace grounds. Revealing a story. The Austrian Alps are a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Stretching across the western and southern parts of the country, the Alps offer breathtaking landscapes, from snow-capped peaks to lush valleys. This region is a playground for adventurers, providing endless opportunities for skiing, hiking, and exploring quaint alpine villages. One of the most famous areas in the Austrian Alps is Tyrol, known for its stunning scenery and world-class ski resorts. Innsbruck, the capital of Tyrol, is a charming city surrounded by mountains, offering both cultural attractions and outdoor activities. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, the Salzkammergut region, with its beautiful lakes and rolling hills, is perfect. Hallstatt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a picturesque village nestled between a lake and towering mountains. Whether you're scaling peaks or simply enjoying the fresh mountain air, the Austrian Alps promise unforgettable experiences in every season. Skiing in Austria is a bucket list experience for winter sports enthusiasts. The country boasts some of the best ski resorts in the world, attracting skiers and snowboarders of all levels. One of the most renowned ski regions is St. Anton am Arlberg, known for its challenging runs and vibrant après-ski scene. For families and beginners, the resort of Kitzbühel is ideal, with its gentle slopes, excellent ski schools, and a picturesque old town. Kitzbühel is also famous for the Hahnenkamm race, one of the most thrilling events in the skiing calendar. Austria's ski season typically runs from December to April, with some glacier resorts offering year-round skiing. The country's efficient transportation network makes it easy to access ski resorts from major cities. Whether you're carving down black runs or taking your first ski lesson, Austria's ski resorts cater to every need. Hiking is one of the best ways to experience Austria's natural beauty. With its diverse landscapes from alpine meadows to dense forests, Austria offers a plethora of hiking trails for all levels of fitness and experience. One of the most popular hiking destinations is the Hohe Tauern National Park, home to Austria's highest peak, Großglockner. The Salzkammergut region, with its crystal-clear lakes and rolling hills, is perfect for moderate hikes. For a more relaxed experience, the lakeside trails around Wolfgangsee and Hallstatter See are ideal for leisurely strolls amidst beautiful scenery. For those seeking a multi-day adventure, the Eagle Walk in Tyrol is a long-distance trail that traverses the heart of the Austrian Alps. Hiking in Austria is not just about the physical activity, it's about immersing yourself in nature and discovering the country's unparalleled beauty. Austria is a treasure trove of cultural sites that reflect its rich history and artistic heritage. From grand palaces and medieval castles to world-class museums and historic churches, the country offers countless opportunities to delve into its cultural tapestry. Vienna, the capital city, is a cultural hub with an array of attractions. The Kunsthistorisches Museum, with its vast collection of art and antiquities, is a must-visit for art lovers. Nearby, the Belvedere Palace houses a stunning collection of Austrian art, including works by Gustav Klimt. Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart, is another cultural gem with its Baroque architecture and musical heritage. The Hohensalzburg Fortress offers panoramic views of the city and a glimpse into Salzburg's medieval past. In addition to museums and historic sites, Austria hosts numerous cultural festivals throughout the year. The Salzburg Festival and the Vienna Opera Ball are just a couple of the many cultural events that celebrate Austria's artistic legacy. A trip to Austria is incomplete without indulging in its delicious cuisine. Austrian food is hearty, flavorful, and deeply rooted in tradition. Wiener Schnitzel is perhaps the most famous Austrian dish, typically served with a slice of lemon. Another must-try is Tafelspitz, a classic Viennese dish of boiled beef with horseradish. For dessert, indulge in Sachertorte, a rich chocolate cake with apricot jam. Don't miss Apfelstrudel, a pastry filled with spiced apples and raisins. Visit a Viennese coffee house to enjoy these pastries with expertly brewed coffee. From comforting dishes to sweet treats, Austria offers a culinary journey that will delight your taste buds. Austria is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on what you want to do. Summer, from June to August, is ideal for outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, and exploring the lakes. Autumn, from September to November, is a great time to visit if you prefer fewer crowds and milder weather. Winter, from December to February, transforms Austria into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing and other winter sports. The festive atmosphere of Christmas markets in cities like Vienna and Salzburg adds to the charm. Spring, from March to May, sees the country coming to life with blooming flowers and warmer weather. This season is perfect for sightseeing and cultural activities without the summer crowds. Easter celebrations are vibrant, and the countryside is lush and green. Each season offers unique experiences and attractions, so plan accordingly to make the most of your trip. Getting around Austria is convenient and efficient thanks to its well-developed transportation network. Austria's railway system, operated by ÖBB, is fast, reliable, and connects major cities and towns. The railjet trains are particularly known for their speed and convenience, offering services between Vienna, Salzburg, Innsbruck, and other key destinations. For more flexibility, consider renting a car, especially if you plan to explore the countryside or visit remote areas. Buses are another convenient option, especially for shorter distances or routes not covered by trains. In Vienna, the public transportation system, including trams and the U-Bahn, is excellent and easy to navigate. Cycling is also popular in Austria, thanks to its extensive network of bike paths. Many cities have bike-sharing programs, and there are numerous scenic cycling routes in the countryside. Whether you prefer trains, buses, or rental cars, you'll find plenty of options to suit your travel style. Austria offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. For a luxurious experience, consider staying in one of Austria's grand hotels. Vienna and Salzburg boast several historic hotels that offer opulent rooms, top-notch service, and excellent amenities. If you prefer a more intimate setting, guest houses and bed and breakfasts are great options. For budget-conscious travelers, hostels and budget hotels are plentiful. Hostels in Austria are clean, safe, and often very centrally located. For a unique stay, consider booking a farmhouse or an alpine hut. This is an excellent way to immerse yourself in the countryside and enjoy nature up close. From luxurious hotels to charming guest houses, you'll find plenty of choices for your Austrian adventure. Austria is a destination that promises to captivate and delight travelers with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. From the opulent palaces of Vienna to the breathtaking peaks of the Alps, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The country's diverse offerings ensure that every visitor finds their own special reason to fall in love with Austria. Whether you're skiing down snowy slopes, hiking through lush valleys, or savoring delectable Austrian cuisine, each experience adds to the tapestry of memories you'll create. Plan your Austrian adventure today and discover the magic that awaits. Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Austria. From iconic landmarks to mouth-watering dishes and vibrant traditions, this country has something for every type of traveler. If you've been to Austria, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for more travel guides like this. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.